Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. We've got an exciting one for you. Today, this car is hitting the racetrack for the very first time ever in its life. This is a brand new car. If you've been paying attention on our channel, you've seen this car get put together. We've got, I think, 6 or 7 videos throughout the process of putting this thing together. We tried to run last week and got rained out like 4 days in a row. Which was a little bit of a bummer, but we're trying again this week. So the plan is to test tonight at Cherokee Speedway in Gaffney, South Carolina, and then we've got some racing this weekend to do as well. So thanks for clicking on the video. We're pretty much ready to go other than loading. I got to body the car. Obviously, the car doesn't have a body, so that'll take me a little bit of time. I'll show you kind of putting the body on as well as a wrap reveal since most people haven't seen the wrap yet. And then we're going to load up and hit the track. So, yeah. Okay, here we are at Cherokee Speedway, getting the car out of the trailer. Tucker's getting the pit lift set up. Then we'll unload this thing. Here's a quick look at the racetrack. Behind me is the front straightaway. There's the main grandstands coming into turns 1 and 2 here. There's Victory Lane right there, 1 and 2. Down the back straightaway into 3 and 4.
Good memory.
Packer, right?
Yes, correct. A big packer.
What's jack I wasn't here?
I put it, the underslung it travels down as it goes forward, and then it goes uphill. I put it right at the shakedown.
I got my brake bias max.
Okay.
Yeah.
I need more rear brake.
Okay. Let me go get my little tool.
I think that's started to run there, but I just don't quite like.
You were working your way up higher
Yeah.
and higher.
Yeah.
I wanted you to do like 5 more laps and just keep on doing it.
If it wasn't making that noise, I was going to do some more laps. It's got kind of a weird pitch to it.
At first lap, you were picking up dust on the bottom of the track with your left front tire, and then you started moving up about a half a lane.
See the
every
groove
time.
where their right rears are.
Yeah.
And you see, we walk out there, I don't know if we'll even be able to see it, but you see there's like banking there.
Yeah.
There's
It
not
kind of like kicks up right.
Yeah, so you're below that entirely. So
Yeah.
then you're tight. I'm pretty sure if you had your right sides up here on entry and use that banking, it would turn.
You're aiming like this.
Yeah, you're like right here.
Yeah, and I need to
If
be
you
like
got-
right
If you
here.
had your right rear up, like you can just walk up it and feel.
Feel it bank up.
Yeah, if you had your right rear here, you'd be fine.
Yeah.
That's all you need. You don't need to loosen the car or nothing.
Just move up.
Just
Both
and
ends.
ease into it. You know, just slow, like ease in.
Yeah.
We don't even
3
care
feet,
if-
3 feet, 3 feet up until.
And I don't think it even matters if you're still up the track in the middle of the corner. If you can get up the track at entry, you're going to get a lot faster.
Okay, we've done about 4 or 5 runs. Car's pretty good, better than me right now, so that's what I gotta work on. I'm definitely too low. I just gotta build up confidence in the entry is really where I'm struggling to find it right now. But if I can find grip on entry, or if I can find, not grip, but if I can find my line on entry, there's grip available there. So I'm just a little too low, and it's not, and it's got a little bit of like a banking that you could drive up on, and I'm below that. So that's what I got to work on now. So car's pretty good, definitely better than me. Just got to keep turning laps still. That's kind of the name of the game now. Tucker's telling me to get ready to go.
final thoughts from Cherokee. We're getting ready to load up now. Give you a quick look at the racetrack. Car's good. Definitely better than me at the moment, for sure. If I can put like one corner together at a time, if I can settle down, I think, and just be more consistent, then that would be better. If we put one corner together, we seem to not make the next. So if I could put it all together, we're definitely in better shape. So definitely feel like we have a lot to learn still, but really happy with the progress we made tonight. Really happy with the Warrior car thing. Rolls pretty good. So most of the work now is for me, and so that's okay. That's good. Take that every day right now. So if I could put together a whole lap, I think we're in the ballpark. I think we're in the ballpark right now. We have some small issues that we have to figure out, and that'll probably keep us away this weekend, unfortunately. I don't have a tack that's working. I don't know what's going on there. I don't have an oil pressure gauge that's working. And my throttle pedal almost crashed us. Well, I almost crashed. Head back to the shop, get it up on stands, get her washed, and get to work. See what we can do to put one more step in front of the other. Back in the 95 shop here after our Cherokee test night. Overall, a really successful test for us, a really successful kind of shakedown for the new race car, a little bit of a rust shake off for me, and then learn on this new car. It was a pretty productive night, I think. We didn't get all the laps we hoped to get. We had a couple of small issues right at the end of the night that prevented us from getting the long run that kind of we hoped in, and that's really one of the reasons that we didn't get to run Cherokee on Saturday night. We kind of were on the fence on that going in the test. If we had a really solid test, we thought we might try, but we really wanted to get a long run in, and we didn't get there. I think the longest run we did was like 12 laps, or maybe not even. So we're going to do one more test day to just kind of shake the rest of the bugs out, make sure that we are organized and ready to go, and make sure that all the systems are working properly, and then we'll go race pretty quick. So pretty exciting first night. I think everybody was pretty nervous, pretty wound up. See when we can get another run in here shortly, and then we'll keep making progress. I think our program's come a long way organizationally. I think the car has been a huge upgrade for us. So lots to do, lots to keep going. We're really happy with where we're at. Took a little longer than we hoped, but we're right making the steps that we need to make right now. So if you liked this video, please like, subscribe, check out our Patreon page. If you like cool race car stuff, check out our shorts page. We've got over 200 shorts on cool race car stuff, and we will see you on the next one.